Hi, my name's Nicky. I'm from Florida. I'm a student at the American University of Paris and I study biomed science. I spent 4 weeks doing a medical internship in Guatemala, Antigua, and I'm spending 4 weeks doing a veterinary internship here in Cusco, Peru. So I am working with Lazy Veterinarian, so it's both kind of a pet store and a vet clinic at the same time, and I get to work with all the vets and I help them assist them with surgeries as well as just treating the dogs with anything that they need help with, whether that be getting sutures or helping them with vitamins. So our job is just to take care of the puppies. So I originally chose Antigua for 4 weeks and I knew that I wanted to do 2 countries because I do love to travel. And I had always wanted to visit Peru, so I thought it would be cool to come work here. And that's why I love Maximo Nivel, is because they're offering me an opportunity to practice what I'm learning in school and get real life use out of it while traveling to different places. Like in 2 weeks I'm going to go to Machu Picchu, which is something I've always wanted to do and I'm very excited for. And in Antigua I got to hike Acatenango, which is a volcano, which was very cool. So traveling, getting to know different cultures, meeting new people, and actually working on my future while doing that. The highlight so far of my experience has definitely been the people that I've gotten to meet along the way, as well as everything that I've gotten to do that I wouldn't be able to do in the States, like witnessing and helping with sutures during surgery is so cool and something that I've never been able to experience and I'm really grateful for. And all the friends that I've made, they are like my lifelong friends forever. I've already planned to meet with some of them when I go back to school. I would 1000% recommend Maximo as an internship. I've gotten to learn so many things and meet so many people in the coolest places.